Alright guys, today we have a food review. We're going to review the pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen, guys. Now this was requested by a subscriber. She's asked really nicely. She said please. I was like, you know what, I'm going to do that for you. Honestly, I'm not really a big fan of pumpkin pie, like desserts and drinks. Not really a big fan, but I thought I would give it a try. So I asked I think I know there's whipped cream in there. She sprinkled some nutmeg. Oh, it's spilling. I need to eat it now. Let's try it out. Oh wow, that did taste like pumpkin pie. Oh my god, that's so good. I have to hold it because it's like dripping, literally dripping. All right, try the whipping cream. That is so good. As if you like pumpkin pie, you would love this. There's something crunchy in here. Yeah, it's really good. Especially with the whipping cream on top. Because it gives like a nice flavor of pumpkin pie. My mom loves everything pumpkin. So mom, if you're watching this, you may want to go to Dairy Queen. It's really good. I honestly didn't think I would actually like it because I'm not really big on pumpkin. I mean, I love pumpkin pie, but not big on pumpkin like ice cream. But with the whipping cream on top, it's really good. I don't really know what's crunchy in here, but it tastes good. It's like kind of sweet, but I don't know what it is. But so if you guys have noticed, I have a new intro for my food reviews. That was kind of cute because with my mukbang videos I have intro with Karen, so I thought when I do food reviews I could have an intro with like a food review, so you guys know it's a food review or mukbang video, you know. Subscriber on my last live, one of my last lives, she didn't like my new intro. She just loved my old intro. Now my old intro is kind of like 80s. I don't know if you remember my old intro, like an 80s with a spinning thing going on or something like that, and it's my Karebear like channel name, so it's Karebear on there. I thought it was kind of like a little cringy, a little 80ish. I don't know. So I wanted something that would say this is a food review. So let me know, guys, what intro you like from my food reviews. I kind of like the new one because it's kind of cute. But I was surprised when I did my intro of that food review, nobody commented and said they liked it. So maybe that's not a good one to do. Maybe my old one is better. So let me know. If I get a lot of response, maybe I'll post something on my community board. I'm just really, you know, I only paid like $5 or $10 for the intro. It was on Fiverr.com, so it's not like it's a waste of money. It's not gonna really hurt me. If you really like my old intro with a Karebear, I can still keep that. But you know, you guys are the viewers, so you know, I'm asking you what you prefer, what you want. So this is really good. I love it. It's very similar to, it's almost identical to pumpkin pie. Not exactly because it's ice cream, you know. But if you like anything pumpkin, I would definitely recommend it. I'm not really sure if I should review the Starbucks new fall drinks. I already viewed it. I reviewed a lot of them. I know some people are doing like everything, and it's like that's gonna cost like 30, 40, 50 bucks to review like every fall drink, every fall pastry. And I actually reviewed a lot of them, almost all of them. So I'm not sure if I'm going to review any Starbucks, but if you have a request, let me know. You could also go to search on this channel and search for Starbucks. I have reviewed a lot of different Starbucks products. But yeah, this is really good. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5. This is really great. I don't know, I wouldn't change anything about it. I love the whipping cream on top, the nutmeg, the little crunch going on. It's good. It's only for this month, guys. Check it out. It's the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard at Dairy Queen. Check it out. All right, guys. Have a great day. Peace.